Hi and welcome to our game demo of HEVR. So here is our login menu. So as you see, this is our sign up page. Now this is our login page. And this is our forget button. Now first, let's sign up our account. First we need to put in our email. Now let's put in our password. And let's put in our display name. Let's call it copy. Now let's sign up. And now we're in the main menu, so you can see we can adjust the audio. How to play. And let's start the game. So hi and welcome to the hawker experience. This one basically introduces our experience, and this is Newton's Centre, so which is a popular hawker centre in Singapore. So let's go in, shall we? Next. Alright, so now we're inside the hawker centre, which is the Newton Centre. So let's next. Firstly, we practice reserving tables. Hawker centres here usually are quite busy, so it's best we reserve a table first. So this basically teaches the player what chopping means and how to reserve a table. You're using a tissue paper with the text here. So let's go next. To your right, you'll see a button. Press on it to receive a tissue packet. And you can only spawn 3 tissue packets. Grab the tissue packet and place it on a table or chairs, and try to chop all 3 tables as fast as you can. Once you have placed all 3 tissues, the counter will stop. You will hear a sound indicating that the game is over. Note that you can only grab 1 tissue packet at once. You only have 60 seconds to chop as much tables as you can. So let's press the button here. As you can see, we can summon at most 3 papers. Let's grab one. Let's quickly run and towards one of the tables here. We can put it on the seat to chop it, maybe? Yes. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Maybe let's grab another tissue. As you can see here, the UI stays here just in case, so that if the player is lost or forgot the instructions, they can simply just walk back and read it if they're lost in the middle of the game. Alright, so let's go get our third tissue. Hopefully we can get this tissue in time to the table. So, alright, so I think that time's up already, unfortunately. There is our score. We ran out of time, unfortunately, so let's just go to the next one. Now that we have experienced Singapore's hawker culture of chopping tables, we now have to do a trivia quiz about hawker centres to understand them more. This trivia page is to teach players how to basic things that they need to know at hawker centre. So the first question is asking which traditional method of payment we use. So you can hover over the models to see the options. There's physical cash, so we pick the cash and it's correct. So here's the next question, asking about what words that we use to ask for to take away the food, and they picked the second option, which is wrong. The second option was don't seek. Let's go to the next one. So what is the purpose of self-service, decoration, or convenience? It is for convenience. The second option is correct. So let's go to the next one. So what are the purpose of the buzzers when our hawker stores give it to you? This question, the second option is correct. So let's go on to the next question, which is asking about returning trays and what do you do after you finish your food with the tray. Option 1 is to return it, option 2 is to leave it for the staff, and the first option is correct. So let's go on to the next question. This will be our last question, and asking about is what is the typical serving style of chai fan? Which is the second option is correct. Multiple dishes in one plate. So now that we are correct about chai fan, why don't we go and try to order it, shall we? Alright, so now we are at Cai Fan store mentioned earlier where you can pick the dishes. There are 3 categories: meat, vegetables and others. And in this experience, you can select one from each that you want to eat. Use your hand or controller to select the rice first. Select the rice. Good. Now let's continue with the rest of the ingredients. And now that I'm done, I can click on my meal to finish it. And now we have a food, we can go get a drink. So this part teaches the player how to order drinks with our Singaporean slang. So example, kopi means coffee, or teh means tea, and all the other lingo as well, such as kosong means zero sugar, peng means with ice, and si means evaporated milk. So you want to type in your drink. This is basically to test them if they understand. So let's type in teh, because I like teh. And that's next. As you see, I ordered it correctly, so let's go grab a drink to the table. However, oh no, minor birds are trying to steal our food. Let's try to shoo them away. So this is using a raycast where we have to shoo away all the birds that we see on screen so that we can eat our food in peace. Now that we have collected all of them, let's go to the next. And now we can finally eat our food in peace. Let's dig in. Wow, that was a good meal, shall we? Wasn't it? So let's go now return our tray. Let's go on, next one. So this is the tray point. This one basically teaches the player that they need to grab the tray and move it towards the translucent cube with the UI text on it. So they grab it and will snap on there. Okay, so now that we have successfully returned our tray, it's finally an end to our experience. So let's go back outside, shall we? Next. So this is basically congratulating the player that we went through it, and they can play again to increase their high scores. Like I showed earlier, so this is the audio again. How to play. And now we can finally log out. And that is the demo. Thank you so much for watching.